We are placing women's own stories at the forefront of the research in order to make them visible. So we are focusing on their experiences because they are challenging patriarchal structures in politics and the coping strategies they have adopted and the actions they have taken.
So it is not only just physical assault, which actually does take place against women who are participating in politics, but it's also online violence, threats of violence, sexual harassment.
There's been a focus on numbers in terms of how women are getting into political offices, but we are also investigating what are the conditions for women when they enter political offices or they are active in politics, vying for certain positions. So it's about looking into how political spaces can be more inclusive.
We have focused on women who have participated in elections both at the national level and at the local level. We found that a lot of literature and a lot of academic research often focuses on women who are members of the political elite. And so we thought it important to have the views and the experiences of women who have participated in what would be considered local government elections. So these are local government community leaders who have contested either as councillors or members of county assembly in their specific wards or counties or provinces.
The women are not a homogeneous group. There are major differences in terms of age, class, sexual orientation, ability, marital status, party affiliation and ethnicity. And that needs to be taken into account when you design interventions. They need to be tailor-made to these different groups in order to most effectively mitigate and end gendered electoral violence.
There has been a tendency amongst international donors and civil society organizations of using and creating a one-size-fits-all policy approach to gendered political violence. Actually, it's important to zone in or hone in on the specific nature and the identities of these women so that we can have more specific and effective policies that speak to the experiences of these women. I think what the project will also be able to do is to advise lawmakers about the types of laws that need to be created to create safer spaces for women who participate in politics, but also the types of laws that need to be mobilized in order to target the different types of violence that women experience when they participate in elections.
Quite a lot of donors are investing or engaging in candidate training just before the elections. But this is too little and perhaps also too late. It is about creating democratic spaces for women in politics. It is not just about democratic elections. It is also about deepening democracy and ensuring that women can be safe when they enter into politics.